Hi, I'm Dr. Tiffany with New Beginnings Chiropractic. This video is a bunch of different ways to use this tennis ball to work out tension in areas that you have repetitive stress that can build up those adhesions in there or knots within the muscle. Okay, so to roll out feet, you can also use a golf ball. It's a little bit smaller. It's also harder, so just kind of to your tolerance level, but you can start like right at the ball of the foot and then roll into the inside of your foot's arch and then outside as well, and just move back and forth. All right, for those of you who work at a desk or are doing a lot of fine motor stuff, or are just getting tingling into your hands and your fingers, this is a great one to do to support the muscles that involve your fingers. But just taking the tennis ball and rolling into these extensors, they all attach over here. And then you can do the inside as well. And you're just gonna roll back and forth. You can also use the tennis ball on your glutes or the piriformis muscle. So if you're having any sciatic pain or just glute tension, or you're wanting to do more activation into your glutes, you can use this, and you're just gonna trap it against the wall in there as close to your like sacrum as you can, and you can work onto the SI joints as well. And then you can just roll kind of like you're a bear scratching on a tree. Just back and forth. Oop, that's starting to slide. And then you can do up and down. So this next one we're gonna do is the pec here in the front, and attaches out here, and it kind of goes in different directions. So to kind of open up your pec, you can just kind of, you don't have to stretch really hard, just get it nice and opened, and then take the ball and roll across by the clavicle, and then you can work down into all these tissues. All right, so we're gonna kind of trap the tennis ball into this area that's really common for knots, between kind of the spine and the scapula. So once you trap it in there, you might have to get a little bit of an angle, but then there's a couple ways you can deepen this. You can just roll on that spot, but you can also pull the arm in front of you and work through that area. You can also look away and pull the head down while you have that trapped in any of these areas that you feel like that knot to work into that spot. Or you can use this in the car while you're driving and move it up and down on either side of the spine.